Greetings movie makers, this is Cinematic Productions Q&A video. Today we are going to be answering some questions and help their problem out as much as possible. Now let's begin. The Hunter asks, how do you convert a MP3 file to a WAV file? Well, it's simple. Open up Audacity, then put your MP3 file in. Make sure your project rate is 44100. Then make sure it is 16-bit. Now go to File, then Export Audio. Make sure Save as Type is on WAV. Scissor asks, what map did you use? I use the StageBug for my tutorials. BoyGamer225 asks, thank you. I'm attempting to make a walk cycle for a workshop model and this helps so much. Happy face. You're welcome. Dried Space 36 asks, hey, Cinematics Productions, I'm a random guy. Do you will make the video of the invisible models from GMAD Extractor? It will be amazing, man. And please keep doing this great work that you have done. Happy face. Well, I know there are tutorials like that, but I had trouble to fix the problem because some certain models can't be fixed. Sad face. Toast ask, could you make a tutorial on how to make an SFM animation without corrupted files? When I made one, it was corrupted. Well, I have a tutorial video that can solve your problems. Hopefully you'll understand. ZNKJu's movie theater ask, a bit off topic, but where did you get the Princess Luna mode? 1. Not all of them are off topic. 2. I got it from Pony SFM. Danny17 ask, my SFM crashes every time I press play. Me. Daniel Doria ask, I wish every tutorial video on YouTube are like this. No explaining extremely precise mechanics that I won't use. No comprehensive history on the thing. Just fast, straight to the point tutorial that I can easily rewind back if I didn't understand something. I wish that too, because it would be very helpful. J. Lars Jansen ask, I got a problem where my render's audio stutters, but the animation is fine. Is there a way to fix this? I had that problem too. When I make a very long video, SFM's audio gets stuttering. I tried to restart SFM, but the audio still stutters. So what I did is, I made a new session and dragged out my shots into a new session. So the problem is, when you make a long video, it gets corrupted. So don't make your videos way too long. SFM Films ask, one question, if you drag the smooth a lot of times, it does the animation smoother? Well, yes it does. Dell ask, this video has too many dislikes that it deserves. Last time I checked, it was a lot of likes than dislikes. JP64 the Cooper boy ask, I think it works on MP3. No, it does not. Only WAV files work with SFM. Carnivorous plants and more ask, isn't it great when it works for everybody except you? No, not really, because some people are not satisfied. I do stuff ask, me, enables ambient occlusion. My PC screams in JavaScript. That's why I didn't make a tutorial of it, because my old PC is very bad. Tate_gaming ask, what is WTS on the keyboard? You mean WASD on keyboard. It is designed to move around the map. Matatron18 ask, my model won't actually move while I'm using the highlighted motion editor. Well, I made a tutorial on how to solve your problems. It's this video. I recommend you watching it. Carlos Lopez ask, wow, this is so complicated. Of course it is, but the more you start learning it and actually focusing on it, the better. That's how I did that. Debian Studio ask, you don't have to record using program. Well, what if I told you? How am I supposed to make tutorials without a recorder? YouTube Basics ask, is it just me? Or whenever I try something and it works I do it again, and it doesn't work? I think your PC is just being weird. Wolfie World ask, this was not useful. It kept saying no session, please reply if you got a solution. Sounds like you have no idea what you are doing. Dara Gaming Channel ask, even after this amazing tutorial, I still suck, lol. Well, maybe one day you won't suck at SFM, because I know you can do it. Dragon Blitz 85 ask, OMG, this was so helpful. Thank you. You're welcome. Dust Mug ask, is there any way you can change the length of the animation after you create it? I made an animation too long and want to know how to shorten it. Go into the motion editor, then hold down shift to highlight the animation. Then hold down alt to shorten it. Cadden Martinez ask, I can't do in-betweens. It just clicks to the second frame whenever I try to put the arrow thing between the points. Well, I found a solution to that. See this button right here? Turn it off. Now you can freely do in-betweens. Thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want me to do more Q&A videos. Subscribe and leave a like, and I will see you next time.